In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Invoice Fly subscription. If you no longer need the service, the cancellation process is very straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click, so you can cancel your plan without any confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Invoice Fly app website at appy.invoicefly.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account that has the active subscription you want to manage. If you have access to more than one account, it's a good idea to double check this first so you don't make changes to the wrong subscription. After you're logged in, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the settings icon, which appears as a gear. This is where Invoice Fly keeps your account and billing related options. Click that gear icon to open the settings area. Inside settings, find and select the option labeled Manage Subscription. This will take you to the section where you can review your current plan and make changes to your billing status. Depending on your account setup, this page may also show plan details such as your renewal timing or subscription level, so take a moment to confirm you're in the right place before continuing. Next, click Cancel Plan. Once you do that, Invoice Fly will typically ask you to confirm your choice before the cancellation is finalized. This confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental cancellations. Review the prompt carefully, then confirm that you want to cancel the plan. After confirming, your subscription should be canceled. It's a smart idea to watch for any on-screen confirmation message so you know the request went through successfully. If available, you may also want to check whether the account shows an updated status, such as canceled or set to end at the close of the current billing period. That can help you understand whether access ends immediately or continues until your paid term is over. And that's all it takes to cancel an Invoice Fly subscription. Just go to the Invoice Fly app, open the settings area using the gear icon in the top left corner, choose Manage Subscription, click Cancel Plan, and confirm your decision. If you're following along while logged into your account, move slowly through each screen and read the confirmation messages carefully to avoid missing anything. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your Invoice Fly subscription quickly and easily.